so sorry. What do you do? Your mother.
We did it.
I repeat, cum does not work. Ow. Oh. I put my dick in a bun. You know what else is sticky? Oh, fuck. I forgot to get the camera. No. I just ripped a fucking hole through space and reality. Show you my dog. I worry about where the bubbles are coming from my vagina. Like, if I would sniff this in real life, I think I would just undress. Fully. Bye bye, Goofy.
I don't know where the other hand. I found one near me. I found one near me.
I didn't know you could do that. You can't prove wrong. You can't prove me wrong. Not me licking my lips as I find out if the statue has nipples. Well, you can break a penis.
Wait, are you gonna watch me whilst you shower?
What? None of you guys blow me, so. Sleece.
You will pet my fucking bird.
Fuck it. I confuse mothers with cum every time. Capture now, or I'm gonna kill you. Yep. Oh, you can. Oh shit, he's sturdy with it, bro. Oh shit. Oh yeah. Big hog for your mum. I can't believe I just said that. Not keen. What? Hey, relax. Oh, fuck that. Her fucking boobs just started shaking. Into the van. No! What? Oh. There's no shot. Someone in the science team just went, damn, that shit hot as fuck, dude. I'm gonna call it sexy shrimp. Like, what the fuck? Hello. Oh, welcome to the stream. Hello, welcome. Hello, hi, welcome. Just realized I forgot to change the tip goal. Lamau could not be me. Hi, how's it going, everyone? Hope everyone's doing well. Hope everyone's doing good. Hope everyone's doing fantastic. Hi. Welcome to the stream. Hi. First half of my day was great. Second half, not at all. Well, that's not good. But at least the first half was good. So that's all that matters. Hello, Vespa. Hi. But yes, hello, hi. Hello. It's been 3 days since I've streamed. I mean, technically 2 days. Sunday, Monday, Tuesday. 3 days. 3 days since I've last streamed, but here we are now, streaming right now, at this very moment, at this very time, at this very, very important time. Hello. You got some bad news, so yeah, I'm sorry to hear that. Very sorry to hear that. Well, hopefully I can make you happy as much as I can. Yeah, I fucking listen. I forgot how to do this shit. This happens every time I fucking don't stream for like an X amount of days. I struggle to like do what the fuck is going on. Like, I struggle even to know what the fuck is going on, bro. Oh, come on, bro. We're not doing this again. We're not doing this again, are we? Give me a second whilst I fucking stupid motherfucking video game. Bro, I don't understand what the fucking problem is with this game, man. It's like it's like it just doesn't want to be fucking played, man. It's so annoying. I'm gonna fucking scream. Let's just verify the fucking game files again. 'Cause I guess we'll wait for that. Thank you. Been watching a lot of YouTube to change my mind. Fair enough. Listen, YouTube does help a lot. Hello, Calico. How you doing? Hope you're doing well. Welcome. Hello. Welcome. My hair. Bro, can my hair just stay one way? That'd be great. No, never mind. Alright, cool. But yes, hi everyone. Hope everyone's doing well. Hope everyone's doing good. We're gonna be vibing until Steam verifies the fucking files of this game. Because, god fucking damn, dude. Not gonna lie, today kind of really sucked. I'm sorry to hear that. Looks like not everyone had their good day today, huh? Hey, listen, I'm trying my best. I'm gonna try my best to make you guys happy, although I am. I don't know what to do right now because I'm kind of chilling, waiting for this fucking game. Genuinely so sad I missed the end of the 24-hour stream because I was at work. It's fine. It's fine. You didn't miss much. My mom didn't pay for insurance, and so now I don't have my ADHD meds, so I can feel my body falling apart in real time. ADHD! Your ADHD has been unfucking caged. Speaking of meds, actually. Goddamn, thank you for reminding me. I need to take my ones. This is not a flex that I have meds. However, it's more of a thank you for reminding me that I have medicine that I need to actually take. Because I forget so many times.
I don't think I'm gonna get my Neef tattoo now with the news. I just got all end swords pen. Eiston. Really good. The fuck this Easton. My grandpa passed away earlier this afternoon. Oh, sorry. I apologize for burping after I said that. That's crazy. I'm very, very sorry to hear for your loss. It's unfortunately something we all go through, and I know that feeling very deep, very well. It'll be better over time. It'll get better over time, I promise you. It's not like you know, losing your family isn't always good. But with grieving, it's always nice. It's always good to move on at some point as well, for the pure reason that you can't always grieve. And I'm sure that they wouldn't want you to continue grieving, and they wouldn't want you to move on. That's what I want, at least. I don't want fucking people grieving my death, like, 2 days after I die. Bro, carry on with your life. I'm not that important. Staring at the wall for 20 minutes straight before I got a notification for stream. It's because I've been struggling to warn my teachers. You'll be fine. I think, like, if you get, like, extra material and stuff, you should be okay. Just find something to, like, hyperfixate on. Mila Solo, I'm so sorry. Well, cancel, I know. Hi, May. It's fine, maybe love, thank you. Try my best. This guy for burping. It's not even burping, it's just burping after... It's just burping after the fact that I said, oh yeah, my grandpa died. We're gonna be first funerals, I'm not ready. Sorry if we're talking about that here. That's fine. Be good. Listen, it's... Funerals are... Funerals are... We all gotta experience them someday. It's obviously best if you never fucking experience it, full stop. Because, let's be fucking real. Who wants to experience... Oh my fucking god, bat... I'm gonna fucking... What am I doing wrong? Sorry. Funerals are something that everyone has to experience at least once. This is your first time. It's gonna be okay. Just celebrate how they lived and not how they didn't. I found something to hyperfixate on. Don't worry. Good. This game makes me want to shit. If only this game was on Xbox. Which, I mean, it is, technically. But if only this game was on Xbox, this wouldn't be a fucking problem. Sorry. I'm actually so fucking annoyed at this game. Why? Bro. It's like it doesn't want to be fucking played. There we fucking go. Holy shit. You gonna show up? God damn.
Alfred! My detective vision is down. Hang on, Alfred. The computer isn't working. I need to restore detective vision.
But something that made me smile today is seeing Baby No Money, BB Nos, in a Miku cosplay all over my Twitter. Yeah, that is something. I did see that too. I am very happy that I did see that.
Alfred! Damn it. Bane damaged the computer. I need to restore detective vision.
Uh-huh.
The computer isn't working. I need to restore detective vision before I can find Alfred.
Alright. Great. Whoa, 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 whoa. Batman, what are you doing?
There, that should do it. Alfred! Alfred!
Alfred! I hear him.
No.
Holy shit, he's dead. Guys, he's dead.
Alfred, can you hear me? I'm going to get you out of there. Alfred! Alfred! Alfred, you can't.
Don't add me to the weight you carry.
Wait, what? Bro, you got gloves. Jumpstart that heart, bro.
No!
I was right.
Come on, damn it.
All units, code 10. Repeat, code 10 confirmed at Blackgate Prison. Suspect identified as the Joker.
Bro really punched him with the fucking electric glove, dude.
I know I haven't always been supportive of what you do, but I understand now. Go. They need you out there.
I can't defend Gotham. I can't even defend
Master Bruce.
Multiple casualties reported. Code 10. Repeat, code 10. Any available unit. Repeat, any available unit. Please respond.
Why does he look like that? He never looked like that before. Like, why is he like
Master Bruce. No.
Giga Chad fucking Bruce? Hello?
I can't do it.
He's gone through multiple fucking plastic surgeries. What the fuck?
No, you can't. Not on your own. But it's high time you realize that you are a man, not an island. And a man's strength comes not from just brawn and intelligence, but also from his allies.
C1 alert. The Joker has escaped from his cell and is leading the riots at Blackgate. Repeat, the Joker has taken over the entire prison. Multiple casualties. Multiple hostages. Again, we have lost Blackgate. Captain Gordon is calling on anyone. Anyone for assistance.
They need you.
No. They need us.
No. You know what's gonna be funny? You know what's gonna be funny? When we finish this game within like the first 2 hours. And then I have to fucking inevitably stop stream because I don't know what else to fucking do. It's gonna happen. What? It's just gonna fucking happen. You know it's gonna happen. I know it's gonna happen. We all know it's gonna fucking happen. What is Alfred gonna do in that? Gonna do in what?
Enough screwing around. Kill him, and let's get out of here. Where's the fun in that? It's him!
Ow.
Captain Gordon. Need someone on the inside to secure the main gate.
This is our turf.
Repeat, this is Captain Gordon. I need someone on the inside to secure the front gates to Blackgate Prison. Can anyone hear me?
I can't believe this. This is getting back.
Nice.
Thanks for...
I could use your help. Captain Gordon's on his way. Secure the gates for him, then help him lock this place down. The Joker cannot be allowed out of here.
Yes, sir. We're on it. Prison Officer 47 to Captain James Gordon. What is your ETA at Blackgate?
About 5 minutes. You getting those gates open?
Be ready by the time you're here.
The inmates will be expecting me. I should enter the prison through the sewers.
Batman say they need us like him and Alfred. Oh. Well, Alfred does the background stuff. Alfred does the computer stuff and stuff. He's telling him about like looking like for he's looking for like background checks or whatever. That's what he does because Batman can't really do that when he's out and about.
How are you?
It's the power of friendship.
Good to hear. Any arrhythmia, let me know immediately.
Of course. But honestly, Bruce, I do think you have bigger things to worry about right now.
Nah.
Something is sending a strong electric current into the water. I should be careful.
Oh god. Wee. Glue grenade.
If I can use my remote batarang to deliver power to the pump generator, it'll raise the water level in the lock.
Oh, it only happens for like 2 seconds. Okay. Shit. Batman's greatest enemy. Puzzles. And by his greatest enemy, I mean me. My greatest enemy. Puzzles. Gotta use a big brain. I don't wanna. I really have to. Brother. Wet cat man. Wet cat Batman. Wet cat man. Wet bat.
How much further?
Hey, we're almost there. I can taste the fresh air.
Taste the air I'm tasting now.
Oh man, I can't wait. I'm going straight to...
Oh, what is that?
You ain't got a chance. It disappeared.
Hell yeah, I did.
Don't check it out.
Christmas reminder. If you all want to get out of here alive tonight, what are you going to do? Bring the bat. Very good. And how do I want this stocking stuffer delivered? Alive?
Okay, time for some introductions. Batman, meet the prisoners. Prisoners, meet the Batman. Now, prisoners, please kill the Batman.
Kill me and get it over with.
Think
I'll make you suffer first. That is, I waste my time. Ain't no one here.
There's someone better to beat tonight.
Better than last Christmas, I guess.
I think the speaker's broken. I can fix it. Son of a bitch! Hey, I'm getting sleepy up here.
What the hell? Strung him up like a side of beef. You still alive? Hey, I'm gonna get you down, bro.
Oh, my head.
What's going on over there? Keep your mouth shut and your eyes peeled. He could be anywhere.
I ain't gonna end up like that.
Hey, how'd you get strung up like that? Hey! I know I heard it.
Guys, he's here.
Whoa!
Help me out here. This guy got his ass kicked.
My lucky day!
What?
I see him right here!
What the fuck?
Flew right up there. Isn't that our loss?
Hello, Arctic Fox. How you doing? Hope you're doing well. Welcome, welcome. Hope you're doing good. Welcome to the stream.
Is that you guys aren't getting enough to eat, not enough sleep? I mean, how else am I supposed to explain your incompetence?
Over there. He has to be over that way. No, I heard it. Damn it, where the hell is he?
Okay, so I think that guy might be glitched. Never mind, he's not glitched. It's a mine. Oh, I can't do that. I haven't unlocked it. No. No.
What are you all standing around for? The man just gave away his location.
Did I?
Crap, this guy's been beat. Get up, you piece of crap.
That's how it's gonna be, huh? Come on.
Batman just had his way with one of you. Now that's a spicy meatball.
What the fuck? What the fuck? Why did he say that? Why the fuck would he say that?
He ain't getting up. Enough already. Let's get this over with.
Like, who thought that was a good idea? Are they all just gonna stick together now?
friend Vinny. Who was that dude? Mario? Hi-ho, the daddy-o.
Hey, we got a man down! Help! Need some help over here? Hey, anybody? Your history!
There we go. But how you doing, Arctic Fox? Hope you're doing well. Hope you're doing good.
Maybe those hostages know where the Joker's hiding.
Hey guys.
Are you okay?
What's it to you?
You were almost killed.
Occupational hazard. Look, I know why you're here. He's in the Panopticon, and he's waiting for you.
Doing well? Good. Good, I'm glad. Very glad to hear. Bro.
Where is my little bat gone? Oh, where can he be? His cowl, his scowl, his temper so foul. I hope that he's coming for me.
Where's this baby? Get him surrounded! Let's fight! Am I gonna die?
Yes. Especially happy because we're playing an Arkham game. Hell yeah. Yeah. You might have missed out on like the previous games. Because I did like Arkham Asylum and City. And after we finished this, we're doing Arkham Knight. Which I'm both excited and not as much to.
Apparently the Joker's afraid of me. Wouldn't let me out. And for good reason. I don't like having my time wasted. You should have known trying to kill me was a waste of your time. Well, you won't have to worry about that anymore. Not unless someone else puts up 50 million bucks. I wasn't worried.
Oh, Slade.
How's he doing this? How do you like this?
Alright, thank you actually for going for the shield guy.
Let's see you fight your way out of this. You gotta stop him. Oh, hell yeah. Put a stop to you.
Oh, they all disappeared. They all just vanished, just like that. That reminds me, I got a Batman Who Laughs book. A full book, or just like a comic? If there's a full book, what I would do to actually get that.
I'm gonna take my time with you. Attack together! Let's go on! Size me up all you want. He's too slow! I'm gonna snap you in half.
Whew.
What's this guy's story? Just what I want. Gang up on it. He can't keep this up.
Boop. I think there's a few comics in it. It'll probably show up. Okay. I didn't know that was a book. I really want it. I really want that at some point. Because I do have like 2 comics of it.
Let him go.
I understand. You had a chance to let me die, and you didn't take it. I bet right now you're wishing you had. I've killed a lot of people. I've brought the city to its knees, crippled the police force, and it's not even time to unwrap our presents. Ship it!
Let's do this.
Okay. So, what our friend Bane holds in his hand is a heart monitor. Once he clamps it on, every beat of his bacon little heart will charge the battery on this electric chair. And when it's fully charged... So either you kill Bane...
No, I won't kill him. But you will. You will fight me with all your resolve, or you will die. Someone is going to die. You, me, or the clown. The question of which one of us it is in your hands. A compassionate man would be home, mourning the loss of his servant and lifelong companion right now. Yet here you are. Not long now, Batman.
Oh, and just in case either of you were thinking of getting... try to remove the heart monitor and... more minced meat on the walls than a house-made hamburger. How's that for a helpful hint?
Oh. Oh! My back! Bro did the signature Bane move. The backbreaker.
Don't move.
Maybe you shouldn't move.
Yeah, get him, Batman.
Oh, good lord.
Careful, Jim. When that chair goes off, that's 2,000 volts. You won't make it.
You don't need to.
Jim. Have a seat, Jimbo. We'll fry together like two little potato latkes.
I got a pulse.
I'm gonna jumpstart your heart.
Kill you again.
May you find the peace in death that you did not find in life.
I'm not looking for peace.
Get shocked, idiot.
Use my shock gloves to temporarily stop Bane's heart. It's my only hope.
Let him go. Whoa, he is on a roll.
Rise to the challenge.
A man in extreme. Come on, Patsy. We're halfway dead over here. Toot toot. Watch out for the Bane train.
Ow.
Said the bat didn't have the guts to kill to save us. How about you?
I'm gonna die.
Look at him go.
Damn.
So this is how the bat finally falls.
Damn. Dum 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 dum. Dum 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 dum.
I can use my shock gloves to temporarily stop Bane's heart. It's my only hope.
Toot toot. Down for the Bane train.
There is nowhere safe.
Oh, come on, Bats, kill him. Not the Jim. At least do it to save me. Uh-oh. Made him angry.
Brother.
Face me.
Woo, look at him go.
Over here, Batman.
Oh, did great, thank you. I'm trying my best.
Didn't have the guts to kill to save us. How about you, Jim?
Brother!
Toot toot! Watch out for the Bane train.
Okay, we did it. Literally minuscule amount of health. Crazy.
He did it!
The game is over, Joker. Let Captain Gordon go.
Yeah. Put the gun down, freak.
How about I put you down?
Gordon!
Well, that's the Christmas spirit. Well, I'd love to stay and celebrate your victory, but I've got stockings to stuff, mistletoe to hang, and about 15 skyscrapers to blow up before sunrise. Ciao!
Thank God you had your vest on. He's got my gun!
Gordon, Joseph, I need your help to stop the Joker.
Our help? You're the so-called vigilante. Or is one kill enough for you tonight?
Bane's in cardiopulmonary arrest. I have only minutes to resuscitate him before it's too late.
You mean you didn't?
That's not how I do things. Now go.
Crazy.
Come on.
You leave me no choice, Mr. Wayne.
Crazy how he said that relatively loud, and no one heard him say that. I mean, this room's could have deafened it out. That's true. Oh, wait. I remembered what this is. Holy shit. Oh, we're playing... Okay. Shit. Fuck. Okay. Looks like we're playing horror game Batman. Oh, shit. I completely forgot that this is like the fight. So you guys will see if you haven't seen this.
About TN1, the compound I found in Bane's lab.
I'll start looking into it now, sir. Sir, Bane has taken an injection of TN1. You have 10 minutes before it reaches its full potency. After that, if he gets a hold of you, he'll kill you.
Bullock, the good. You read me? You okay? Every exit out of Blackgate. Sewers, front doors, I don't care. Joker cannot escape. We're on it. Bullock to good. We got the place secure. Any update? I'm with the warden. I think the Joker's
What?
heading to death row. We got the place surrounded. No way he can get out. You better be damn sure about that.
Is everybody...
Is Batman in the grate again? Come out of the grate now!
Yeah, they really fucking cooked with. They really cooked with the
Sir, it appears the jamming mechanism has been activated. It would be wise to deactivate it immediately.
Rip him in two!
This is Captain James Gordon in Blackgate Prison. The Joker has us pinned down in death row. Requesting reinforcements. Repeat, this is Captain Gordon requesting reinforcements. Pinned down on death row at Blackgate.
Joker has Gordon pinned down in death row. I need to hurry.
Everybody seeing this?
So you hide in the vents. Show your face.
What the hell is that thing?
This is genuinely fucking scary, man.
Face me.
Fuck me, man. Ah.
I have to use the environment. I have to stay out of sight and attack from cover.
Welcome, death.
If you can't finish Bane off soon, that TN1 will make him undefeatable.
There we go. Christ.
It's over, Alfred. I've defeated Bane.
Master Bruce? Master Bruce, are you alright?
Imagine doing that to the guy in Outlast. Imagine. There he goes.
Must find Batman.
Good luck with that.
Fucking Christ.
Can you hear me?
Yes, and thank you for the help with Bane.
I trust he's down for good this time.
He's secure, and it appears the TN1 Bane took damaged his memory permanently.
Does that mean he won't be revealing your identity?
Looks that way.
Glad to hear it, sir. And the Joker?
He's still on the loose, but not for long.
This is Captain Gordon at Blackgate Prison, requesting immediate medevac. Warden Joseph has been shot. Repeat, Warden Joseph is down.
EMT chopper en route. ETA 15 minutes.
Tell them to hurry up.
It's insane the amount of stuff he can take, honestly.
Would you look who's back for more?
Oh, hello.
I've had enough of you for one night.
Would you look who's back for more?
Son of a...
Screw this! Want the Joker? Take him.
Help me keep these guys off the Warden.
You like cement shoes?
Gordon, respectfully, you should not be fighting.
This will help. rough childhood. Joseph, they're on their way. You're going to make it.
Where's the Joker?
He went through that door, towards the chapel.
Thanks.
Okay. And Batman went Spider-Man. Spider-Man on break. Spider-Man on break. Hello, Demon. Hello, Demon. I wouldn't. Good. Do you watch any more of the episodes now? No, unfortunately not. I didn't get the, like, time to, really. And also I forgot.
Oh, bats. It's just, it's so... What a night! Fresh off the kill, and back for more, eh?
Kinda don't blame you.
Alive.
Oh.
Now that's not funny. all this rage, all directed at me, and for what? You know, if you'd actually let me finish a sentence, you might learn something. You might learn that we're not so different. You might learn something about yourself.
You need to learn.
Is all this for you, or for me? You must know that I'm a lost cause. Oh, but there's...
Shut up.
You just can't get it through your thick scalp. Ugh.
But yeah.
We both exist because of them.
Give up. You've lost.
Just kind of didn't have time, and also the 24-hour stream. I could have watched it during the 24-hour stream, now that I think about it. Time.
That's why you do it, isn't it? You like the way it feels.
Oh well.
It's what you need. Come on, baby. Beat me till your knuckles bleed. Why quit there? You know there's only one way to stop me.
Any one of my guys would have killed him.
The city deserves better than that.
You know, my daughter thinks you're a hero. But I still have to bring you in.
Gordon, come in. What's your 20?
I'm in the chapel. We got the Joker.
Son of a bitch. You caught him. And how did you do that?
I had some help.
That's why she becomes a hero, exactly. And also, that's why she
keep asking myself,
ends up being in the wheelchair.
Bring him in. And I now know the truth is, I let him go because of you.
So how you doing, Demon? Hope you're doing well.
Believe in him. I don't know. They put me in charge of a station full of rotten cops. And I can't change them. Any more than I can change this
Interpretability? Yeah.
damn city.
Absolutely.
Or at least, that's what I used to think.
Stop his heart. That is funny. Good one, Bats. Oh, this is going to be fun.
Can't believe that every fucking Arkham game I finished with, like, in the first hour of the last, like...
Maybe he can give them something to believe in.
Crazy. There we go. Game finished. Game done. Alright, still a bit sore. Probably got some poison ivy oak. You got poison ivy herself? Holy shit. That's crazy. How'd you manage to do that? Bro, I wish. I feel like a lot of people wish. Well, that's Arkham Origins, I guess. I don't fucking know what to do now.
I tried so hard, my dear, to show that you're my every dream. Yet you're afraid each thing I do is just some evil scheme. A memory from your lonesome past keeps us so far apart. Why can't I free your doubtful mind and melt your cold, cold heart? Another crime before my time made your heart...
Oh wait, speaking of Cold Cold Heart, DLC. We can start the fucking DLC. I completely forgot about that. This game has DLC. Like actual DLC.
Unkind words are said that make the teardrops start. Why can't I free your doubtful mind and melt your cold, cold heart? You'll never know how.
I mean, I have in Fortnite, which is cool, but IRL would be better if she was also loyal, but I don't know about that. Olaf! That was an Olaf. But yeah, no. I mean, no, I feel like she would just kill you. She would just make you the mindless papa amongst, like, other guys.
There was a time when I believed that you belonged to me. But now I know your heart is shackled to a memory. You won't admit that we're the same, and it's tearing me apart! Why can't I free your doubtful mind and melt your cold, cold heart?
Still think Batman Arkham Origins has the best boss fight in any Arkham game.
Our next guest, political strategist Dean Snyder, has been following tonight's events since the start, more than 8 hours ago. Dr. Snyder, let's start with you. What's your view?
Well, Jack, it's a travesty. The ultimate failing of the justice system. A vigilante cleaning up our streets after countless deaths and bombings? What has happened to our police force? And what about James Gordon? He didn't exactly prove himself tonight.
Hold on a minute, Dean. Now, I'm no defender of the GCPD or Captain Gordon for that matter. Like you said, tonight's debacle is some reflection of his efficacy, but I can't see any police force in any municipality doing a substantially better job against criminals like this Joker character or any of the hired killers he's brought into town. I mean, these guys are a different breed. We've never seen anything like this. So for me, it's less a reflection on Gotham's cops and more of a reflection on the state of our country. A country where our mental health and education systems are so warped and broken that we produce criminals of this nature.
You raise an interesting point, Hank, but what I'm wondering is what we'll do next.
No, it's not an interesting point. It's just plain wrong. They're both wrong. This isn't about the police or the Batman. It isn't about the state of our nation somehow churning out a dangerous new batch of the criminally deranged. It's about the failing of one single institution. An institution which, in my view, represents the biggest threat to Gotham and its citizens. A time bomb, just waiting to go off. If tonight's events have taught us anything, it's that Blackgate is not the place to be housing our city's most dangerous offenders. Not one, but 2 prison breaks in the same night. All of tonight's tragedies would have been avoided if Gotham had a proper treatment facility for its top echelon offenders. A place with impenetrable security, where the most dangerous could be isolated, rehabilitated, and treated for their illness. A place like Arkham Asylum. And after what happened tonight, I promise the good people of Gotham that I will work tirelessly. I will lobby the city council, go to the governor if I have to, do everything in my power to get Arkham Asylum reopened, so we can all sleep a little easier.
There you have it. Quincy Sharp placing the blame for tonight's events not on the Batman, not on the Joker, but on Blackgate Prison, and pledging to return Arkham Asylum to full operations. We'll be back with more from Mr. Sharp and our other guests when the Jack Ryder Hour continues after this message.
There we go. I'm back. Welcome back. Game Plus unlocked. Alternative Batman outfits.
Figured you'd be by sooner or later. And what happens if I don't sign?
You rot in here, or you work for me?
Crazy how this didn't lead to anything. It literally, apart from,
Why don't you turn in?
Wouldn't dream of it, not until you're back safe and sound.
unless like until like the new Suicide Squad game, which he is in the game, but like,
and I could use your help.
You can count
it's
on
not
me.
even.
And when you get home, we can finally have that Christmas dinner I've been keeping warm for you for our breakfast.
I would love to eat some food right now. NGL, not gonna lie. Love some food. Food gay. Food. Cold heart. Did you get my gift from the other day? Oh, Agents of Mayhem. Yes, I did. Yes. Thank you very much. I literally completely forgot to message you. I was like in the middle of fucking doing anything else. Thank you. I appreciate it. I had to, obviously, to redeem the gift, I had to, fucking let May do everything else because it can only be redeemed in America. Wait, hold on, bear with me just 1 second. Shout out, May, for being American. Oh, also, thank you for the Humble Bundle gift as well, Demon. I appreciate it a lot. Is that all the fucking, like... Speaking of which, actually... What does that include? Because like I can see arcade classics and stuff, but what does it include? What does it include? Street Fighter 5. Oh, like shitloads of... Okay, so Street Fighters. Mega Man. Final Fight. Ghost and Goblins and Ghouls and Ghosts. Bionic Commando. Yeah, this is actually fucking stacked. What the fuck? Holy shit. Thank you very much, Demon. I appreciate it. Big hype in the chat. For both Agents of Mayhem and the Capcom Classics. Actually does remind me. And I am now checking the fucking other games in Humble Bundle. House Flipper and Friends. Trainion Builder, Chernobyl Liquidators. Wait, isn't that one game that I wanted to fucking play? Whereas like you're the guy who the guy who's like taking care of the fires. Mixed reviews. Ah. 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 I figured I would be more of online stuff if you wanted to do some writing. Yeah. If you want to stream them, that would work too. I would like to see you play Agents of Mayhem at least once on stream to start out. If you don't want to continue afterwards, that's fine. We'll see with oh god. We'll see with how packed we're gonna be with shit. Maybe like during a 24-hour stream when I'm not like doing anything. Because let's be honest, the part 2 of the fucking like the 48-hour stream, so the 24-hour stream that we're gonna be doing later on, which is good. What was it, the 1st of March? I don't know what I might be doing. Apart from, I obviously know that we're going to be like playing Sea of Thieves for like fuck knows how long. Until we die. But like, apart from that. Maybe. Maybe possibly. We'll see Agents of Mayhem. Got a question, got an answer. What would be your favorite DC character? DC character. Good question. Of all time? Oh, that is a good question. Lobo. There you go. Fucking love Lobo. You can have the Batman and stuff, of course. Anything you had planned afterwards, yeah. Well, we're on to like Arkham Knight after this specifically. Considering how things are going, we might be... I don't think we'll be done with Arkham Knight before the 24-hour stream, the second one. After Arkham... After the Arkham series, I do have Sekiro planned. Or at least, like, wait until the Lies of P DLC is coming out. When is that coming out again? Because I have no idea. Wailing or Killer Croc. Killer Croc's great. That's just a crocodile.
That's the foundation Gotham was built on. And I have proudly built Goth Corp on that same foundation. That's why we're called the People Company.
The what DLC? The Lies of P? DLC?
Seems to be after your title as Gotham's biggest philanthropic industrialist.
Gotham needs more people like him.
Bruce!
Hey.
I am blown away by your support.
It's well deserved. You're going to change the world, Ferris.
Hey, we'll change it together, right?
Pardon me, Mr. Boyle.
God, they look like they have face full of Botox, dude. God fucking damn. It just looks so unnatural.
know what that means. Let's get this New Year's Eve party going with the... Forget to pay your heating bill, Bruce?
Happy New Year, everybody! Where do you think you're going? Don't move!
Bring me Ferris Boyle.
Alfred, where's Ferris? Alfred.
Ow.
Hold it right there! Yeah, got him!
Butler's gone crazy.
Are you cowards afraid of an old man?
Just take it easy.
Hope that vase wasn't worth something.
Oh, look at the rich boy. So long, Bruce. Where's the safe, Wayne? Hey, rich and tough? It ain't fair.
Bug.
Are you okay?
It's Arnold. That's him. Summer 2020, 2025. I don't think he has a date.
Being led by
Okay, well, Sekiro's probably going to be like the
I need to find Ferris.
next game, maybe.
Well, you're no use to us dressed like that. You need to put on your other suit.
The fuck was that?
To the Batcave is in the study.
I forgot what the DLC said. I can't remember the DLC, like the name of the DLC, but it's the Lies of P DLC. I'll be back. Okay, enjoy your food. Enjoy food. Please share.
Bruce, do you have a minute?
I would love some
Someone said
food
an
as well.
iceberg just appeared, exploded in the ballroom. I need details. What happened? Who do you think?
Where's Ferris?
He never made it to the interview. Wait, you're not going out there alone, are you?
Stay with Alfred. He'll keep you safe.
With these guests about, perhaps you should look for that item in the wine cellar.
Right.
Right.
Those men are armed. I'm going to have to take them down quietly if I don't want to get shot.
Don't forget, I called dibs on those pearls. I'm taking them before we torch this place.
Here, I got him! I got him!
No, you don't. Get mogged, stupid idiot.
Elephant, just smash the barrel. Penguin wants it all smashed. Why is Penguin so eager to bust up our Wayne mansion? The Waynes ruined the Cobblepotts back in the day. So he says. That makes sense. You don't get to the top without stepping on a few heads, you know what I mean? Ain't nothing back there except more wine. Bordeaux. Is that expensive? It's not Bordeaux. It's Bordeaux. Oh, sorry. Bordeaux. Is that expensive or what?
We're inside Wayne Manor, doofus. It's all expensive. So why's Penguin got us working with this Mr. Freeze? Why do you think? Did you see that ice ray?
You mean Freeze forced him? Who wants to beat a billionaire? Ah! I'll take your money and your pride. Hand over you. This is stop yet.
Christ.
Sir, if you'd come out of that cave more than once a week, you'd know that the Batcave entrance is in the wine cellar's tasting room. Look for the statue. Watch yourself in that tunnel, sir. It's still suffering from the damage our visitor did on Christmas Eve.
I actually haven't seen anything from this DLC whatsoever. So I'm interested as to, like, what's gonna happen.
Gotham police are urging South Gotham residents to remain indoors for their own safety.
Master Bruce, I caught a glimpse of your mechanized man. These hooligans are calling him Mr. Freeze. You might consider donning your extreme environment suit.
The XE suit? It's not ready for deployment.
Oh dear, I hear helicopters. More penguin brutes. Do hurry.
I don't have
Whoa.
time to prep the XE suit for deployment. I'll need Alfred to put the finishing touches on it. I need to get back to the manor and find Ferris before Penguin's men do. Penguin's men are in the north wing. I need to go back to the tunnel above the training area. The only way back to the manor is on the elevator by the training area.
Sir, before you ask, the formula we used for your glue grenades was unstable. What was left after Christmas Eve has degraded into dust.
Okay. Hello? There you go. Oh, hello, Bruce. Those fucking lips, dude.
Alfred, what happened to the power?
Sir, you must hurry. They're setting the manor ablaze. I've managed to get most of the guests into the east and south wings, but...
Hey, it's the butler!
Alfred! Alfred!
But yeah, I've never actually like seen anything or played this DLC, so this is genuinely blind. Never touch the butler. Never fucking touch Alfred, dude. You're all gonna die without dying. Oh shit. So do we have like all the upgrades that we had, or? I think so.
Still no signal from Alfred. I'd better find another way into the library.
Am I crazy? Probably.
You're lying, old man. That book was over 1,200 years old. So what? Who wants some more?
Damn it, Alfred.
Keep your silly jade statue then, and I'm sure your employer will enjoy the hundreds of dollars it will garner on the black market.
Hey, old timer, I only need a few hundred to put new rim.
That one of ours? Find him!
10 feet down. Get off me!
He's in trouble. Find him!
This guy's been strung up like a trophy kill.
Dead. Wait. Maybe he's coming back for him.
Had to come from somewhere.
Well, nothing down there.
Is it too late for him? Yeah. Are they also lined up?
I know I heard. I can't see anything of this stuff.
He's over here! Die already! Above us! Lost him! There he is? Don't make me do something crazy!
Hmm. Huh.
I'll do this. Don't think I won't.
No, Alfred! No!
Get the champagne, boys! I think it's gonna be a very, very good year.
That was a whoopsie. That was a big whoopsie. It was a big whoopsie. Whoopsie poopsie.
You're lying, old man. That book was over 1,200 years old.
Damn it, Alfred.
Who wants some old book? Keep your silly jade statue then, and I'm sure your employer will enjoy the hundreds.
Oh, crap! Who we gonna hit? Get me down. Get me. Get me. You gotta cut me. What? Is he saving him for later or something? Ah, gave away your position. I got you now. Look at that poor bastard. No, you staying here. Let's find him. Come on, where are you? I know you're back there.
Hmm. Feels like there's a lot of them in this one. Like, what the fuck?
He's go. How do we get him down from there? He's making us look like chumps. I don't think we're gonna last too long at this rate. Heads up, he's close by. Look what he did. Keep your eyes open. Exit. I ain't moving without some help. Get up. Please get up. Oh, this smoke tastes awful. Oh, no. Where'd this stuff come from? Another man down! Someone help! Might not work.
Bonk. There we go.
These people to safety, but the Wayne Crest is blocking the exit. This way.
That was amazing. You just picked those goons apart. Ferris Boyle in the next room. I think they're going to kill him.
Sir, are you all right?
Thanks to you, the hero of Christmas Eve come to rescue us from the...
Can I trust you'll get these people to safety?
Of course.
Mm.
Now that you've dealt with most of these hooligans...
You should restore power to your sprinkler system to deal with these fires.
Not to worry. I won't allow Wayne Manor to burn to the ground.
You know, you really should do an exclusive with me. The people want to know what you're all about.
I've got more important things to do.
This is important. You've become a hot issue for this city. You need to state for the record what you're trying to accomplish.
My actions state that loud and clear.
Thank you
True.
for the rescue, Batman.
What is happening with this damn city?
Mr. Boyle needs your help.
Are you here to stop these maniacs?
I hope so.
Stop this Mr. Freeze? Save Ferris Boyle?
Got Boyle. Come here. You seen what I...
Don't do this.
Can I change your mind?
Nope. Mid swing, no chance, my guy.
I heard about you. I have no quarrel with you.
Then you crashed the wrong party.
Freeze? What do you want with me? I just require a moment of your time. Let me go! Help! Help me! Oh no. Forget about me, please!
Get kicked. Idiot. Stupid idiot.
It looks like Freeze isn't the only one with a cryogenic weapon. This door is frozen shut. I'll need to enter the ballroom through the balcony.
Bro, I have no snacks, no nothing, and I'm fucking getting so hungry right now.
Freeze is gone. One of Penguin's goons will know where that chopper's going.
How the hell did that get here so fast?
It don't matter, nothing. We bagged the boss, trashed the place, and our frozen friend made his escape. That's mission accomplished in my book.
I do. Time to count up our loot and bug out. What's he doing here? I think he's angry. What is happening? We gotta work together, morons! Disappear! Oh no! No! Gotta be my What's it gonna take? Good dentist. Take him down! I'll tear you apart! Want a piece of me?
Where is he taking Ferris? I don't know. I promise.
Do you have any idea how many of your friends I sent to the hospital on Christmas Eve?
Look,
One of Penguin's dealers. He's throwing out the weapons Freeze gave us. He must know. We were supposed to meet up in South Gotham.
You can meet up in the emergency room instead.
God damn.
You're almost to South Gotham. I hope Penguin's dealer can tell you what this Mr. Freeze has done with our friend.
Targeting someone like Ferris Boyle. It's sickening.
I know you'll bring him to justice, sir.
I'll see this one wheeled into Blackgate on a gurney.
Why is the plane so loud? Ugh, why is the Batwing so loud, dude?
Confirming that code 3. Looks like these anarchy fanatics are taking advantage of the lack of police presence down here.
Roger 8-2. Continue to monitor. Do not engage without backup.
No chance of that.
I should deal with those anarchy followers. But first I need to track down Penguin's dealer and find out where Freeze has taken Ferris.
What do I care? Hey, he's right here! It's over! Follow me, let's get him! Don't shoot me! Over here, he's right here! Help me kill him! You wanna die? Ready to die? It's over! Why won't you die? You're gonna feel it! I see him! Get your asses over here!
I might die with this one.
On me! Got him!
Yep. Didn't know. I thought. Fucking whatever.
Break out the champagne, boys! I think it's good.
Whatever. Whatever. Whatever.
Hey, what if the cop called for backup before Rusty blows him up?
That's why you need to shut up and keep your eyes open.
Don't turn around, don't turn around, thank you.
Anyone see that? by us.
Do that again, and I will nuke you.
Nope, not entirely. No! Crazy.
Break out the champagne, boys! I think it's gonna be a...
Do you want to say hello to stream? Do you want to say hello to stream? Come here, child. Come here, child. My child. My sweet baby child. Everyone say hello to child. He wants to say hello. Denbai wants to say hello, he just wants to cuddle me right now. My sweet boy. That's my boy. Do need to distress from whatever the fuck is happening, like, in this game right now. Oh, chin scratches, yes. Yes. It is. It is. Octofox, it is. This little sweet baby is a main. Bro, you smell like shit. Brother, you smell like absolute doo-doo. I guess it's fucking cuddle time. Alright, well, we're pausing Batman for now. This is full on cuddle time. What's the name? Nugget. Like a chicken nugget. Bro said, bro, I need attention right now. You're also making biscuits on my hand. You know. Oh, is it go time? Is it go time? Is it enough cuddles for today? Yeah, it's enough. Yeah, yeah. Or is it? Or is it? Or is it? It's enough. In my house, we name our pets after things. Two of them are named after Star Wars characters. Which ones? That's the bigger question. Which ones?
Let's make sure there ain't any cops hanging around. The rest of the crew should be showing up any minute. Ah, Rusty got him good with that freeze ray, huh? Cryo gun, freeze ray, cryo gun, whatever do I care? Hey, what if the cop called for backup before Rusty brought him up? That's what.
Try this again, shall we? For fuck's sake. So I might be getting a tiny bit of a headache soon. Or soon. I feel like I'm getting a headache.
Dispatch 6-3. We're quiet. Protesters marching north on Waverly. No incidents.
What's with all the smoke? He's here! I got him! I got him!
Finding Penguin's dealer is the
There
key
we
to
go.
finding Freeze. I should scan this area for clues that might tell me where he went. Once Alfred has the XE suit prepped, I'll be able to come back and release this person. Whatever this substance is, it's slowly shutting his systems down, putting him into cryostasis. I won't be able to safely remove him from the ice without the thermal gloves built into the XE suit. The officer just chanced upon Penguin's men. He wasn't equipped to deal with this cryotech, but the cryo gun was leaking.
It was leaking.
If I hurry, this trail will lead me right to Penguin's men. Then I can make them tell me where this tech came from. Alfred, Penguin's men are using cryogenic weapons to encase innocent people in ice. I'm going to need the thermal gloves and the XE suit to break them free.
I'll get to work immediately, sir. Any idea where these weapons are coming from?
I'll get that answer when I catch up with Penguin's dealer.
Boop. Boop. Hey guys.
Check that out. Looks like. Want some of this? Caught! Who's that getting this? Yelling and screaming's gonna change a damn thing in this city. Oh no! We gotta stop him. I can't believe this. Yes, we do. Oh, easy on me.
Oh, he fucking flew.
Delay that request. Chasing shadows is the last thing we have time for tonight.
Dispatch, Air 3. Coventry's on our patrol route. We'll take a look on the next pass.
You're gonna freeze him solid. How does it work? Just point and click. Oh, I mean, how does it make... You picked the wrong fight. He goes down. Take it. You deserve this. Careful. Waste up.
Cool.
Where's Freeze?
You think I know?
I bought Origins the other day and it wasn't letting me start it. Can anyone help me? Start it as it is, just it doesn't start. What platform? Question mark.
He's in Gothcorp last I saw.
You're lying. Gothcorp doesn't make weapons.
What? No, Gothcorp.
Steam.
I swear. Look, I've got the
Verify the game files just in case. Reinstall it.
It doesn't make sense. Gothcorp involved in weapons tech.
This is the best I can really do. I don't know what else to suggest. Listen, Google is a wonderful place where you'd be surprised how many people have similar problems. I too had similar problems. I couldn't fucking get the game into full screen for no fucking reason. Turns out I just literally had to verify game files so that they found 2 files that had to be fucking fixed. It's so fucking stupid. This game is dumb when it comes to like running on Steam.
Dispatch 5-5. We got no contact with units on the bridge.
Air 3, 1059 at Pioneer's Bridge. Possible 701.
3 en route.
There's trouble.
Really? That's it? Yeah.
Think we bit off more than we can chew. We got
You ain't got shit.
We ain't living like this. No. I ain't got much.
Cool. Good fight.
I guess so. Ain't it? We don't look pretty. Someone, search his pockets.
Nice. Bug. Yeah, I don't exist.
Guys, see this?
Welcome back, Arctic folks. Welcome back.
If this goes sideways, you come running.
Sure thing, boss.
What are you going to do with me?
You? Assuming your friend keeps cooperating, I'm sure we won't have to do anything.
Man, what is that?
Nice. Good fight.
Those men were armed. How'd you do that?
Where are they taking Ferris?
Mr. Boyle? They're heading to the propellant research wing. These guys have been raiding the whole facility.
Do you have the codes to this security door?
No, I don't have clearance. But my boss does. A bunch of them took him to the organics lab, through the lobby.
I'll make sure they don't hurt your boss. Get yourself to safety.
Better hope you don't get out.
Ambush! Hold up, just give me a sec to explain.
Nice.
You are so dead! Think you could hurt me?
Nice.
You told us you were the
Oh.
boss, so
Oh, hello.
why so shy all of a sudden, huh? What happened to that spirit of sharing?
I'm cooperating. I'm cooperating.
I know, but we all got jobs, see? And my job is to shoot you if I don't think you're telling me the truth.
I told you there are no weapons here. It's just plants, tissue research.
Yeah, you said.
Then you believe me?
You know what? I do. I do believe you. But to be honest, I just really love my job.
Oh God. What is all this stuff?
I'm gonna find you. I'm gonna find you, and I'm gonna hurt you.
Stupid misdirection. He's in front. Find him. Get me down. Get me. Get me. Where the hell are you?
Uh.
Where the hell did he fall from? I'm gonna find that thing and then I'm gonna feed it to you. Ah, man. You okay? Damn it. Where are you?
What the fuck? That's fucking stupid. I don't know how he fucking saw me or heard me in that manner.
Crap. Another guy ate it.
Keep your mouth shut and your eyes peeled. He could be anywhere.
He's gotta be close. Find him already.
Oh crap! That would have harmed. Find him.
Jabba went off. He's back on now.
Oh god.
Gave away your position. I got you now. I got him. I got him. Shoot, damn ya! You guys see anything? I lost him.
Do you have any games you're excited to see released this year? Oh god. I think there's one. I can't remember what it was though. I don't even remember what's being released this year. Like full stop. Oh. Literally nothing I can think of at the top of my head. Is it Mafia: The Old Country? I don't know if that's coming out this year, if it's whenever. Excited for that.
Holy crap! How'd he do that? Hey! Came from over here. I'm sure of it. I was sure I saw something.
Okay, there's 3 more people. Is he gonna take a hostage? Of course he is. You gonna stand by him? You're just gonna stand there? Like, actually? Great. One game I want to see, that is to see Dark Deception Chapter 5. There's Chapter 5, there's that many chapters?
Stop making noise! This
Didn't know there were that many chapters.
There he is! Waste him!
Oh, okay. Okay, you just disappeared. Alright, cool.
Holy crap! I saw you on GNN! You just saved my life!
You have codes I need to access the propellant research wing.
I do. Here. Take them. You're going to save Mr. Boyle, right?
It's not safe inside GothCorp. You need to get out of here.
Don't worry. I won't be hanging around. And, thanks, you know? Not just for me. For Gotham.
Cool. Thank you. Should release the shit. Fair enough. I didn't know it had chapters. I only thought like it's like the full game and that's it. Fair enough. The less I know.
That's why I'm asking where he's at. Why are you asking us? We've all been with you.
Knock it off. Penguin's got trouble. If we don't get to him, that'll go double for us.
So what? I guess we wait for Fitzy to show.
You know, I can't wait to see you explain this brilliant.
No! Kick his teeth in!
Cool. I'm excited about any new Little Nightmares. Oh, is that coming out as well? God, I didn't know. I just don't know anything about video games. Maybe? Potentially?
My boss has the codes you need. Those goons have them in the organics lab.
Philanthropy.
You think Penguin's gonna let this blue-skinned freak get the drop on him? You're crazy.
Listen, I don't want to be the guy who show up when Penguin calls. Let's just figure out a way to get in there.
But yeah, I'm mainly a horror game guy. That's fair. I'm not the biggest fan of horror. Horror action may be great. Something like games like Resident Evil, phenomenal. Love them. However, the horror full stop? No. Unfortunately, no.
Danger. Temperature anomaly detected in cryopump 4. Potential breaches in coolant out. Danger. Multiple breaches in coolant outtake detected. SCP-17. Security alert.
Oh.
Give me Boyle, or I'll freeze this entire room.
Oh, I know you won't. Boyle's got the code you need, and I ain't giving him up unless I get what he's giving you.
What's behind this door is of no interest to you.
What I'm thinking is the weapons I was promised. I know you're holding out on me.
This will not end well for you, Cobblepot.
I think you're confused about what exactly is about to happen. As soon as you show us that big meatball. Now, you again.
Now you belong to me.
I'll give you one chance to let him go.
Threats are meaningless to a man who has lost everything.
You, this is yours. You get the others.
What's Freeze after? Why does he need Boyle?
Boyle's got codes he needs to access some kind of super weapon. And now you let him have it.
That ice is the only thing saving you from getting the beating you deserve.
Yeah. Look, you ought to save our friend Mr. Boyle, yeah? But you'll never break through this ice. Gothcorp has a device. It's like a drill. A cryo drill.
Tell me where it is.
I had my men bring all our acquisitions to the My Alibi nightclub. For safekeeping, of course.
Then you better hope your men are still at My Alibi. If I want to break through this barrier of ice, I'd better get to the My Alibi nightclub before Penguin's men decide to relocate.
Warning. Critical failure in propellant research wing. Please evacuate. Emergency. Propellant research wing compromised. Initiate evacuation procedures.
Without the XE suit, I'd never survive in that cloud of cryo vapor.
Danger. Critical failure in stage 2. Fueling process. In effect.
I don't know. You should start figuring it. The bats showed up. He's making us look stupid. What are you?
Oh my fucking god.
Getting up on it.
Warning. Critical failure in propellant research wing. Please evacuate. Danger. Cryogenic reactor breach. Please evacuate.
Gotta fix it.
Why? I'm no cryo engineer, I'm just a guard.
Wanna race with that? You better figure it out.
Your friends. You busted the the security system on the exit to the...
This cryo vapor is lethal. I'll need the XE suit if I hope to survive inside one of these clouds.
Snow cone vendor, fix this situation or my... That's... I hate you.
Nice.
Where'd you come from? Oh, it's incredible.
Come with me. I'm getting you out of here.
What was that? Bro, just did a little dancey dance.
What are you gonna do now?
After I've recovered the cryo drill, I'm coming back here to save Ferris.
But isn't Freeze gonna try to...
With any luck.
Welcome back, Vesper.
What's the status of the XE suit?
I've just finished loading it into a drop container.
Good news. I'm on my way to my alibi to recover a stolen cryogenic drill. Have the Batwing drop it there.
It's on its way.
Crossing over where? Crossing over.
Sir, I'm detecting a group of armed men outside my alibi. I suggest you secure the area before I initiate the drop.
See that? Goodbye!
Bullshit.
Just keep fighting! What are you waiting for? Go, Bill. It's your lucky night.
Bug.
XE suit drop incoming, sir.
Just cancel my to prove. Tip, 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 tip. I'm guessing the tattoo artist was understandable with it. At least I'm hoping. It's that suit.
The thermal gloves should help you deal with most ICU encounters, sir. And the suit will provide... Sir, I suggest you deal with the last of these activists as soon as you're able.
The honeycomb structure insulates against extreme cold without increasing weight. It won't slow me down a bit.
Head inside. Keep watch from there. Why? What's wrong? It's the bat, okay? There, I said it. I'm afraid of the bat. Relax.
She was, and it's a week early, so it's fine. Good, good, good. Oh my fucking head starting to like actually pound. Batman is even more buff now. Yeah, he is. He's more chunky. this suit is so good.
You.
Me?
If I thermocharge a Batarang, I can use it to knock out that frozen security lock.
I'm damn cold. I'll survive.
Cool. Whenever Batman just slides to another enemy, I just think of the cement sliding sound. The cement sliding. Oh, loose lips! Hey!
You stole a cryogenic drill from Gothcorp.
Well, yeah, but it ain't here. Bigwood said to sell off the parts. It's in pieces.
Where are they?
I'll tell you. I'll tell you. Just don't drop me off a roof, okay?
Maybe next time.
You.
Oh, guess I can't go this way. I mean, it doesn't matter because the fucking wall's broken here anyway.
Sir, your map has been updated with the locations of the components you'll need to rebuild the cryogenic drill.
Thanks, Alfred. I'm on it.
Keep watch from there. Why? What's wrong? It's the bat, okay? There, I said it. I'm afraid of the bat. Relax. I'm scared too. Really? Yeah, he's a freaking machine. I'm not dumb enough to think we can take him out. Maybe we should reconsider our job options. Whoa, whoa. I wouldn't go that far. As long as we...
Gotham is a prison, and the police its wardens. To protect and serve, their motto goes. And they do. Protect and serve themselves. We live in fear of their gaze, their billy clubs and guns. When they walk down the streets, we avert our eyes. We tremble when they speak. Who are these people, really? What drives them? Is it justice? Honor?
As if there isn't enough going on tonight. Damn it, the bombs are still active. There must be a second failsafe detonator nearby. I don't have much time.
I like the snow. City's nice all covered up like this. Snow's fine. It's the ice that's the problem. Especially when you can't see it.
Let's go.
Should do it.
You need better boots. Plus, you gotta know where to step.
We did it.
That's the problem. How am I supposed to know where to step? I can't see what's under the snow. And with my luck, it's always ice. I don't know, man. It's never been a problem for me.
Nice.
You.
Me. You, me.
Stupid weather.
Penguin said to wait for his call. He's setting something up with a buyer.
Yeah, but he ain't called.
You don't think... I mean, you don't think Freeze would have turned on him?
I wouldn't doubt it. That guy ain't human. Looks at everything like it's his next meal.
I know. And those eyes, goggles, whatever. Wow. Gives me, well, chills.
Are you two quivering idiots sure you're in the right line of work?
Dummies. How's the human man bat? He's man batting, that's for sure. How are you doing, Schleeby? Hope you're doing well. Doing okay. How about you, Olaf? I'm doing okay. Head's starting to like hurt a little bit, but I'm trying my best to like get through this DLC because I'm guessing it's relatively short. I hope. Hopefully, it's like the Harley Quinn DLC where it's like. $3 hours to complete.
I see it, I see it. Hey! My lucky day! Where are you? My lucky day!
No. Drink water, friend, and wear your glasses. They're over here. I will drink water, though, because I am a little bit thirsty. I don't think my glasses are the things that are... Or the lack of glasses are the things that give me a headache. Damn. Bro told me I'm just another victim. For me, it does help since it has blue light filters on it. See, I don't. My ones are just plain old normal glasses.
Dispatch, 4-6. Kill that bag! Flying low.
Unless they have, like... They are specially designed. Unless they are specially designed to, like, block out, like, the... to filter out the blue light, but I don't think they are. I don't know, listen, I got them, like, fucking years ago, so I... no idea. But I'm coming in and just casting Fireball, honestly.
It requires some kind of superconducting fluid to operate.
Here it is, sir. An organic supercoolant used in an experimental lab run by one Victor Freeze.
As in Mr. Freeze.
It seems too great a coincidence to ignore. It says here that Ferris had Mr. Freeze's lab shut down.
If he's a disgruntled employee out for revenge, then this is about more than just stealing weapons tech.
Freeze's lab is under quarantine. Some kind of accident.
I'm on my way back to Gothcorp now.
My son is being sleepy. Years? Yes, it's been years. I think the last time when was it that I actually got the glasses that I have right now? Oh, it was still when I was at uni. So like more than 6-7 years ago, I think. You can get cheap prescription glasses online. Mine was like an added $10. It's still money that I'd rather have for something else. Listen, glasses are like the last thing I really just want. I also don't remember my prescription.
Security breach in the organics lab. Lockdown protocols in effect.
What's bitching you? We're gonna rip this place apart until we find a way to get Penguin out of his situation. Then we're gonna open up this Mr. Freeze like a can of tuna. Son of a...
Nice.
Fitzy's here to save you sorry asses.
Fitzy! Oh my god. Please don't break my bone. Does your monitor have the blue light filter thing? Oh, I could. Maybe. Low blue light. That's what it has.
I'm in shock, all right. Can't believe what I'm seeing.
Zully, I hope your headache passes soon. I hope so too. Maybe it will.
I can use a thermocharged batarang to bring that ice down on top of those thugs.
Enough's enough!
I do like when like this one guy is left with Batman, he's just like regretting his life choices. He's like, oh shit. Oh fuck.
I'll need to evacuate this lab of cryovapor before the lockdown protocol on this door is disengaged.
He can't get to us. Not while the lab's full of cryovapor.
Think we're safe, so long as that cryo tank keeps pumping out vapor. He can't get in here with all that cryo vapor, right?
Shane, you can't get through that vapor while there's still power to the tank. This ain't the way I plan on spending my New Year's Eve.
There are power conduits running through the greenhouses. I should be able to disable them with a thermocharged batarang.
I like how they all just fucking said the same thing, pretty much. Like, okay, we get it, man.
You're the Batman.
Danger. Cryogenic reactor has failed. Containment breach in progress.
I need to disable those two power conduits to stop that reactor leak. Then I need to ventilate the room of cryovapor.
Danger. Cryogenic reactor breach. Please evacuate.
Am I crazy?
Emergency. Please engage manual reactor shutdown.
I am, okay.
I hope the cryovapor kills that bastard.
I thought somebody was supposed to kill that son of a bitch.
We got the first switch.
What's he doing? I can't see.
He's doing something.
He's doing something.
We got a plan beyond the usual shoot him to hell.
The lab's still full of cryovapor and the fans ain't working. I think we're safe. If he manages to get the fans back on, that'll suck the vapor out of that room. Then we charge in shoot.
I hope you guys brought extra ammo.
Danger. Cryogenic reactor has failed. Containment breach in progress.
Now's our chance. Get in there and blow him to hell. I'm gonna keep watching over here. Help me out here. This guy got his ass kicked.
Good fight.
Can't be down. Take out next. You gotta cut me. Why go to all that trouble? That's just not. Came from over here. I'm sure of it. Had to come from somewhere.
Hmm.
Come on, where are you? Okay, I'm watching you from over here.
The one thing so this DLC is good. However, bro, there's like too many of them. Like, it's nothing bad, but, like, it just goes to the point where there's too many of them, where it just kind of, like, it just feels more annoying than anything. There you go, broski.
I'm in shock, all right. Can't believe what I'm seeing. I'm in shock, all right. Can't believe what I'm seeing.
Guys, Freeze took out the paint, and it looks like he drove off the bat. Maybe this Freeze guy's a better bet for us. Keep talking like that. I'm gonna put it over your head.
Good aiming, guy.
I think I can hit hard. My ass ain't you.
Unbalanced or something like that. I don't know. Maybe it's too much.
I'll need
Too-
to evacuate this lab of cryovapor before the lockdown protocol on this door is disengaged.
Too many people. Just feels like they're doing it just to, like, extend time, because, like, you'd expect, like, maybe 5-6 people, but in this, it just they're shoving, like, nearly 10 fucking 10 of them in our throats. Like, it's ugh. I don't know, just my opinion, but
There's more going on here.
Could
than a
be
simple
wrong.
accident. This security guard's skin has the same blue coloration as Freeze's. I should set up a crime scene. Data analysis indicates that he died from heat stroke, but the control room doesn't show signs of overheating.
Oh.
This is some kind of crystallized chemical residue. Traces lead back into the lab.
I will say, however, this is, like, one of my favorite fucking Batman suits. Like, in any of the games. They really cooked with it.
The trail ends here. I should scan for more evidence. Two men struggled. One of them ran out of the lab. That would be the dead security guard I found.
Intimidating, yeah.
These palm prints are a match for Victor Fries. He must have watched the security guard die.
Looks solid, yeah, it does, doesn't it? He is pretty solid as well. And the mode would be proud, except the cape. Yeah, that's also true. Also very true.
Scavenged what he needed from various prototypes to build himself a super cooled survival suit.
A super cool survival suit.
Extreme pressure built up inside the tank when ice sealed these outtakes. It appears that this guard was frozen by the cryovapors from the resulting explosion. The evidence suggests the guard was frozen before the tank ruptured, perhaps by Fries's cryocannon. These DNA traces are a match for Victor Fries. Spatter analysis suggests a blunt impact. Someone assaulted Fries with a weapon. The cannon was knocked over and fired. When the tank exploded, it released a plume of cryochemicals. The plume enveloped Fries and the guard, but the shockwave knocked the assailant clear. I need to find that weapon. It may have evidence I can use to identify the assailant.
Found it.
DNA analysis confirms the gun was used to bludgeon Victor Fries, and fingerprint analysis shows Ferris Boyle. It was Ferris. Something was wheeled through this fluid, possibly a gurney. The fluid must have frozen almost immediately for these tracks to have been preserved.
This is the longest fucking detective mode we've had.
Fries was secretly doing research on Huntington's Korea, but this is a cryogenic weapons lab. The test subject was Nora Fries. Now I know what happened here. Boyle hired Victor to help advance the secret cryoweapons program within GothCorp. In exchange, Boyle agreed to devote GothCorp resources to finding a cure for Nora's Huntington's. But Boyle was more interested in how Victor had managed to put Nora into cryostasis. When Victor realized that Boyle had no intention of following through on their deal, he decided to do the Huntington's research himself. But Boyle didn't like that. The cryochemical cocktail altered Victor's metabolism, as well as the guards. Boyle escaped ahead of the plume and had the lab quarantined. Victor survived, but he knew that leaving the supercooled lab would kill him. So he built himself a suit and utilized an organic supercoolant to keep his core temperature sub-zero. All this violence. He's just trying to save his dying wife.
Yeah. Yeah.
The supercoolant Victor uses in his suit is the same fluid I need for the cryo drill.
Alfred, send Gordon the evidence I've gathered on Boyle's crimes.
I'm sorry, Master Bruce. I know you had high hopes for what Ferris could do for Gotham.
That doesn't matter now. Victor's plan was never to kill Boyle. He needs Boyle's security access to get his wife out of GothCorp. That's all he wants.
And now, you're going to stop him?
I have to.
And are you still going to need that gurney?
I am. But not for Victor.
It's cold in here. Oh my god, hello, Batman. Please, warm yourself up, my guy.
When I get out of here, I'm gonna have Candy pour me a nice hot bath. And then I'm gonna drown you in it.
I'm trying, boss.
The bet are you waiting for? Get him surrounded! Come on now. Remind me why I pay you once. I'm here to put you down. Everybody, rush him at once! Punch him in the face! We're gonna murder you! Kick his ass, you dirty rats!
Well, I can't have to stop Victor, fair enough, you know what, understandable.
Freezing to death! You're gonna get me on this damn iceberg?
You're good right where you are.
But you can't leave me here! I'll freeze to death!
Not my
Batman, you need the home of Coco. Oh, Coco.
Oh, I'll hang you with
He'll have it when he's back home.
Come on, Batman. You got a price, yeah? Name it. It's yours.
Don't worry. I have money, man. Don't.
Let's be reasonable. You're not gonna let me die here now, are you? Are you? Holy. Thanks. Thank you.
Welcome.
I'm gonna make your life a living.
Yeah.
Danger. Critical failure in stage 2. Fueling process. Emergency protocols in effect.
Nobody caught the picture is dangerously low. All I want is to get Nora free.
Giving you the code. I'll see you both dead before I give you a damn thing.
Then join me in my fate and freeze.
Peter, Victor. Please.
A plebe.
Victor, you have to let him go.
I'm taking my wife. You can't stop me.
I know the truth, and so will the police. Boyle will face judgment for his crimes.
It was an accident. You don't know what you're talking about. Look.
Nothing matters. Do you understand? Nothing but my Nora.
You've endangered lives all over this city. Nora would never have wanted this.
No. What she wants is to live a long life in the warmth of the sun. Her hand in mine. But because of him, she'll only feel the icy touch of a man whose emotions run as cold as the blood in his veins. We made it easy. Now get in here and find the Batman.
I can mind looking at.
Sir,
You're right.
overload those cryogenerators using your thermal gloves. Look for the control panels.
If Boyle had honored our bargain, none of this violence would have been necessary. This is not your concern. It is between Boyle and me. I am not leaving without my wife. Do you hear me?
My wife.
you understand what it's like to have someone taken from you?
Warning. Cryotank 3. Overload in progress.
Tank 3! He's right there. It's immobilized.
Help!
This is how the Batman rewards incompetence.
Warning. Containment breach in Cryotank 3.
Now, while he's frozen,
Brother.
how did he escape?
Warning. Containment breach in Cryotank 2.
You won't escape that. It's immobilized.
Wait, huh?
He's escaped. Do you have any idea what Boyle was doing to her?
Warning. Cryotank 3. Overload in progress.
Three! Where are the rest of you? Get in here and honor our bargain.
Okay, I'm just meant to hold it down. Oh.
How did he escape?
Make sure we don't lose him again!
Focus, Daniel.
Let go of me!
There he is. I know you're up there.
Away from me!
Do not test my patience.
Hmm.
There is no need for this, Batman. In the open. Where are you?
This guy got his ass!
He escaped. This man should have been more careful. This is how the Batman rewards incompetence.
Get with me.
What do you see?
Follow me! Let's get him!
This man should have been more careful. How did he escape? Focus, Daniel.
Hello? Thank you.
He's escaped. What do you see? Not allow him to escape again. If this is how you want it to be, so be it.
I need him to face like another direction, because
I won't allow my wife to be subjected to any more tests. Do you understand?
Warning. Cryotank 1. Overload in progress.
Now get in here and find the Batman. Do not test my patience. He's given away his position. Find the source of that noise.
Had to come from somewhere.
Well, nothing down there.
Taking Nora. You cannot stop me. This is not your concern. It is between Boyle and me.
Come on.
I am not leaving without my wife. Do you hear me? That was the bat. Find him. Do not allow him to escape again. He's given away his position. Find the source of that noise.
Look at that poor bastard. Look what he did. Keep your eyes open.
Do you understand what it's like to have someone taken from you?
Yeah, I'd say so. Sorry if I fell asleep and I had to go work out. That's okay. Welcome back.
Do you have any idea what Boyle was doing to her? That was the bat. Find him. He's given away his position.
You okay?
There is no need for this, Batman. I am taking Nora.
Track and Field starts in 2 weeks. Ooh, good luck. Buggy.
Let's see how well you do when the air freezes in your lungs.
Bright light.
Over here, you will not stand.
Are we having the same kind of thing as in Arkham City? Is that what we're doing?
The back of Freeze's suit is vulnerable to attack.
We made a deal. Now get in here and find the Batman.
On my way. I'm coming. Right away.
Where are you? This is how the Batman.
That room is filled with ice formations, Master Bruce. I suggest you use them to your advantage.
Find him. This man should have been more careful. Search the area. Focus, Daniel.
I got him. I got him.
How did he escape?
Ah, shit.
He's escaped. Do not test my patience.
Gotta flush him out.
How did he escape? Where are you? You have forced me to do this.
This is I'd say a relatively tough fight.
Damn you, Batman, for forcing my hand. Where are you? He's here. I'll box you in, Batman. He's escaped. You won't escape that way. How would it be escaped? Find him. Search the area. Well, Batman, come out and do what you came to do. It'll take more than that, Batman. He's escaped. I know you're up there. How would it be escaped? Have you lost your resolve? Mine remains as strong as ever. Hmm? You want to stop me? Then come out of the shadows. You have forced me to do this. I'll box you in.
Okay, so it is the same. It is the same thing as fucking Christ. Okay. Ugh.
Well, Batman, come out and do what you came to do.
What?
You lost your resolve. Mine remains as strong as ever. Where are you? Damn you, Batman.
Okay.
You want to stop me? Then come out of the shadows. Hmm? Where are you? You have forced me to do this. Flush him out. I'll do the rest. Your technology is inferior, Batman. Have you lost your resolve? Mine remains as strong as... Hmm? Well, Batman, come out and do what you will not stop me with these toys, Batman. Damn you, Batman, for forcing my hand. Your technology. He's in the open. Where are the rest of you? Get in here and honor our bargain. How does he escape? He escaped. Where are you? Find him.
Okay. Until look Mr. Freeze to see what he tastes like, probably like an old person. No, because like if you do that, you will genuinely just get your tongue stuck on him. Pretty sure, at least.
Find him. You will not stop. My patience wears thin. You want to stop me? Then come out of the shadows.
It's gonna take like 50 years.
Find him. You have forced me to do this.
Yeah.
Search the area. Where are you? Your sector. You only anger me. Find him. We made a deal. Now get in here and find the Batman. Stop me and come out of the shadows. Search the area.
Okay, man? You need some help?
Damn you, Batman, for forcing my hand. Well, Batman, come out and do what you came to do. Find him. Have you lost your resolve? Mine remains as strong as ever. Where are you? You will not stop. My suit is resilient, Batman. Search the area. Find him.
Cryogenic containment failing.
You are
Prime
resourceful.
subject
I'll
Nora
give you
Freeze
that.
in danger.
No!
Watch it!
The fuck is going on?
If I can get underneath him, I can take him from below.
Remember that.
Containment failure in Capsule 1. Prime subject Nora Freeze in danger.
Hang on, boy. I've almost got you. Why didn't I just kill him?
Cryogenic containment failing. Prime subject Nora Freeze in danger.
I should have just killed him and the bat.
There we go. Holy shit.
Thanks for doing the heavy lifting, Batman. But you shouldn't have stuck your nose in my business. And here I thought I was going to have a problem explaining what happened in your lab. I mean, the police are never going to look at me after what you did. And with this bat freak dead, there won't be anyone left to say otherwise.
Cryogenic containment failing.
And that just leaves you.
Please, you can save her. You just have to bypass the cryo cover.
Victor, she died. But I'll keep you alive long enough to see her go.
There we go.
Take a seat, humanitarian.
Cryogenic containment restored.
I'm sorry, Victor. I can't give you peace, but I can give you justice.
Is that it? Okay, I guess. Okay. Okay.
Out of North Gotham at this hour, where protest has turned to celebration. Under extreme pressure from Gotham's citizens, Mayor Hill has just announced his resignation. While Hill has not ruled out a possible run for re-election in the new year, his resignation means that Peter Grogan will likely not be the next police commissioner of Gotham. Speculation has already begun about who the new mayor will appoint as commissioner, with many pundits naming GCPD Captain James Gordon as the frontrunner. And now to South Gotham, where Vicky Vale brings us this live report.
Thanks, Janine. I'm standing at the corporate headquarters of GothCorp, where Captain Gordon has confirmed that GothCorp CEO Ferris Boyle has been taken into police custody. Police report that Mr. Boyle stands accused of manslaughter, extortion, and attempted murder. Shocking accusations given that just earlier tonight, he accepted the Wayne Foundation's award for Humanitarian of the Year. Also in custody is the notoriously elusive underworld crime boss Oswald Cobblepot, better known as the Penguin, as well as a GothCorp cryogenicist, Victor Freeze. Mr. Freeze is being held under heavy guard at Gotham General, receiving treatment for an undisclosed medical condition. Quincy Sharp has suggested that Mr. Freeze is yet another example of the type of criminal that needs the specialized care that only Arkham Asylum can provide. Police credit these arrests to solid police work, but this reporter suspects the vigilante known as the Batman had more than a small role to play. On a personal note, I owe Batman a debt of gratitude for rescuing me from almost certain death earlier this evening. So, thank you, Batman. For all of us. Back to you, Janine.
Thanks, Vicky. The Batman continues to be one of the top stories this holiday season. So as we here at GNN wish you all a happy and safe New Year's Eve, we'll leave you with just a few of the comments you've made about Gotham's Caped Crusader.
I was surrounded. Next thing you know, bam, boom, kapow! The bastards are all on the ground, KO'd. I didn't even see them coming.
Oh, it was all a blur. He just whooshed in out of nowhere.
Listen, I'm a cop. I can't condone what he does. But I can be grateful he's doing it.
Oh, he's real, all right. I got the bruises to prove it. He's real, he's ruthless, and there ain't nothing in the world that's gonna stop him.
Apart from a single bullet in Suicide Squad, the game. Kill the Justice League. Crazy. Probably got some cutscenes. I don't know. I don't think we might.
Congratulations, sir. Victor, Ferris, and even that scoundrel Cobblepot are all in custody. Shall we call it a night, then?
Not yet, Alfred. There's still work to be done.
Nah. It's all done. It's all done. Fucking. With all due respect, and with the most respect possible for this game, thank fuck I don't have to play it again. And I mean this in the most respectful way possible. It was a fantastic game. I enjoyed it. One of my, like, actual favorite Batman games. Because of, like, the boss fights and stuff. However, God, I'm glad that I'm not gonna try to turn that game on again and stream it, because Jesus Christ, trying to, like, get it to full screen was such a pain in the ass, man. Like, actually so fucking annoying. So I'm glad that we don't have to touch it anymore. However, next game is Arkham Knight, which I'm excited. However, I'm not really excited about the Batmobile sections and how much they shoved the Batmobile sections in that game. Like, literally everything else about the game, great. The Batmobile sections make me want to fucking rip my hairs out. I'm not gonna lie to you. I've played the game before. I've completed the game before. However, god damn. God fucking damn. Especially like the last mission. You'll see on when we fucking get to it and stuff, but fuck me, I'm not ready for that. Anyway. Oh, we're gonna finish the stream here. I am tired, my head hurts a little bit. I need to just lay down a little bit, rest. You'd expect me to like you'd expect me to be well rested after the 24-hour stream, especially after taking like 3 days off. No, still not. But yeah. Anyway, we are gonna finish the stream here. Tomorrow is Patreon day, so we'll be doing Patreon stuff tomorrow. We'll be watching the Haikyuu movie, the new one that's just released or recently released. So we're going to be doing that, and then the next stream will be on Friday, and we'll be starting Arkham Knight with that, which I'm very excited. Oh god. Anyway, thank you very much for coming. Thank you very much for staying. I appreciate every single one of you. Hope you all have a wonderful day / night / whatever time zone you're in. Take care of yourself, take care of your family, but most importantly, take care of yourselves. You're beautiful, fantastic, amazing, spectacular, cute, adorable, and just purely fantabulous beings that live in the span of existence. Yeah, tomorrow, Patreon, so no stream on Twitch, just on Patreon, and yeah, that's going to be it. I love you and leave you all for tonight. Take care of yourself, sleep well, have a wonderful rest of your day.